Oh, happy Friday, everybody. These people are at work, some are just hustling and doing everything. It's a beautiful Friday, and you see, yeah, it's like, I think it's around 9 minutes to 12. So I decided just to come outside, and check. Yeah, so we started trading on the funded account for this month. It's a 5K two-stage funded account. So currently, we have been experiencing a lot of drawdown for the last, I think, since the purchase from the 29th of September. So it's probably around, I'd say, 7 trading days that we've been experiencing drawdowns, taking off trades, breaking even. So we've been in that cycle of going into drawdown. The following day, we make up the drawdown. Next day, we lose that. We do. So we've just been working on break even. But today seems to be promising. I feel like we took earlier. I think we took GBP USD sells, but it was a scalp sell. It put us back into normal profits into our account. So currently, we took some other trades on GBP USD, which I'll be able to share in a moment or two right now. So we're just gonna see how the trades are gonna go. Are they gonna be beautiful? Let's end Friday in a blue note, and hopefully by next week I can pass stage 1, phase 1. Then we can focus on stage 2 for the remainder of the week, so that we can get a payout by this coming month end, or trade towards a payout. So for my calculations and projections, I see us passing this challenge within the next remaining 2 weeks of the month, passing phase 1 and phase 2. Then next month we will be trading in the account after signing the contract. So that's optimism, but we will see. Yes, as I was saying. So yeah, we opened the chat. We were looking for a particular good trade, and we were able to pick up on GBP USD. As you can see, we took a nice GBP USD trade right here, with a continuation to the downside. So I'm hoping for us to, you see, from the 4 hour also. I could have caught the trade here, but I was busy during the morning. But seeing how the 4 hour just opened now, so we'd like to see how the 1 hour will close within the next 5 minutes. But so far it looks good. Yeah, like I was saying, during the opening of the account of the purchase from the 29th of September, first thing I started experiencing massive drawdown. I went to like 3%, I think. Yeah, I think I went to like literally 3% of these trades, bro. So since the 30th of September, I think it's been about like pulling back up, making back the drawdown, taking the account to break even. Today we were able to do that. You can see that the account is on break even, and we are running. As you can see, update on the GBP USD trades. We are currently running on 108 USD profit since taking the trade around 12 p.m. today. So for me, I've already reached 3% of the account. In the morning, we closed off around 60 USDs. We went back into the GBP USD sales, and as you can see, the sales are currently running at 108 or 110 USD. For me, that is making 3% of the account. So that is, in terms of my rules and guidelines, for me, that's a signal saying close trades. You've made your profit. Leave the markets. Leave the markets. Not necessarily leave. If any other opportunity does come, take that opportunity. But for now, I feel like we have maxed out. Today was a very profitable day. Today was a very, very profitable day indeed. Quite profitable. Yeah, so from my side, I feel like, yeah, if we get back to 100 USD, I'll be okay. That's 3%. 1%, it's around 60 to 50 USD. So we're able to make that much from our drawdown, So that's like 3% in a day, It's like what, 3% of 5,000 in a day. That's a lot of money though. It's a lot of money things, already are done. So yeah, for me that's a good percentage return. As you can see, today we made 164 USDs. So yeah, it was a good Friday. So we're just gonna close off everything at this point. I'm no longer gonna trade and no longer get into the market. Well, I am grateful that we were able to take out the account from 4% drawdown. I was waiting to get that email, cling, cling, account suspension, dear Mr. Manuel. But hey, we move, and the trade is still going down. GBP USD is gonna go down, but up until next week. So Monday I'll still be able to. I think Monday I'll still be able to catch the same move again. It's just that potential pullback during New York session, based on the analysis of the dollar index. Of course, we might see a pullback taking place from 2 o'clock today up until New York AM session, which is around 3:30. Then the continuation to the upside for dollar index, meaning that brother, this thing is gonna continue falling, bro. This thing is gonna continue falling, brother. Yes. Only traded GBP USD today. Only GBP USD today. It's only GBP USD. Damn it! Motherfucker, why can't I get a Joe? I'm like, Papa. Fuck. In hell. It's fine. Yeah, so those are the current trades that we are running on. As you can see from the looking into the account, the stage 1 account, you can see from purchase of the 5K account, we went into massive drawdown. I'm talking by 2 to 3% in drawdown. So I was just left with like 2%, and I would have lost the account. And then I reminded myself that I went back to my strategies and how I've been processing. Then I understood that if I haven't been trading for quite some time because I was focused on my other things that I was pursuing last month. So I just got back right now, back into the trading space. So I could see that I was impulsively entering specific trades without further confirmation. I wasn't following my rules correctly. And then I started to switch on. I started to switch on. I was like, you know what? I need to follow my guidelines. So since following my guidelines, I was able to recuperate all my entire account. From recuperating my entire account, based on that, we were able to go back into break even. Now we are in profits in the account. We are left with over 300 USD, and then we pass phase 1. So I'm assuming maybe with this trades, like you saw the trades, it could get us to the point that we could pass phase 1 today. Then the next week we're focusing on phase 2. But then again, I always have to ensure that I journal all the trades that I take, and I ensure that when I wake up, I have a steady mindset. I can articulate correctly, especially when you get into the space, because when you start in the space or you start to execute, analyze. You don't need further distractions. Your mind has to be clear. So yeah, let us see how the trades go. I'm just gonna monitor them. SL, I may have used a bit of a huge risk, but that's because I can see the potential of this trade actually giving out more. Usually, I wouldn't put on that kind of risk, as you can see from the positions that are placed. But let us see. We will see.